Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy TRX on OKX. For that, you will have to launch your OKX mobile application. If you haven't already created your account on OKX, then I will put my link down in the description box as well, so that you can get a lot of perks and benefits on OKX if you create the account with my link. Now, once you have successfully created your account, now is the time to purchase TRX on OKX. For that, first of all, you need to make sure that you have verified your account, and then you need to just import USDT in your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on the search bar in the top, and in the search bar you simply need to search for TRX. Over here you are going to see a bunch of different pairs in this port for TRX, like TRS/USDT, TRX/USDC, TRX/BTC, and TRX/ETH. So you just have to select the pair of TRX/USDT, as we want to use our USDT in order to purchase TRX coin. Over here you are going to see the option of trade. So if you tap on the trade option, you will be landed on this type of page. Now over here you will have to enter the amount at which you want to purchase TRX coin. If you want to do it on the current price, then you can select the limit order and it will give you the current price of TRX coin. Now over here you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase the TRX coin. After that, you will have to tap on Buy TRX option, and then your order will be placed and you are going to get TRX in your OKX account. In order to view it, you will have to tap on this Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this way you are going to get TRX in OKX. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.